E toi whaatalo whaatu lau mai moanga TV3 Samoa nei whaapea tutui la mamanua. O le vaenga mulimuli nei o le tatou polkalame whapitua mo le aso sātina. O se tamo whaingatu whaatasi le Samoa whaamoa i Apia o le TV3 Samoa nei ma le Talamua.com. Ua mawhai ena whasota i whamanuianga mo tina mai whanau maainga i tu ese langi. O le polkalame nei o le amai moa i ini whiau whamanuia mai Korea. O se whiau whamanuia mai yalo ma whanau o lo o whaaskola si pisaina. O nisi o whiau mai Australia, New Zealand, ma Samoa nei. Tala falava, and we welcome you to the last hour of our global Samoan Mother's Day special, where we celebrate our mothers with messages of love as expressed through video clips, songs and poems sent to us through social media and the internet. O le soifua tului o le tatou tautanunga masani o whamanuianga mai le atua. O le au li o le se lau tausanga o se laasanga i le au maua. O le tatou wheau mua le nā, o le soifuanga le tina matua ia tuputala e le saia le pale mosala o motaa, wa au lia le se lau tausanga o lona soifua.
O lo kinga, o te ringi, nga, kirana wa. Kara wa mali umo maakua, nga, mokua ngange kopon, le ako makufanga unge mo le ainga. Ya te kaya wa mali umo fati asawa awai, nga. Ya ngo fayala e wo ba mali fati angango wa awai. Ya mula ia wa awai mali pa. Wala mali po sa wala maya umo puro i nako ai no wa mai mali pa nga sa lore umo po ni ya o po wa o mai mai ro ya le paka nga ko nga sa mo ai nga te nga vela o ma sa ro o po ai na nga ke nga vela. Ia kira pun dia bawa ayah pun pakai ni nga. Ya, kaya ni lah. Besok pakai ni. Ni bangal ya, cak misi dia.
Ya, dia ni apa doai? Ada macam apa dia cuaca santina, Elena terbantu tina ni. Orang dia mesti laut sana, dia sana. Fama dia tele ia tia. Elena dia macam fama dia tina. Malamo Samoa. Ia maua se santina fia, mas dia fama dia auto
Ia manuia tele la sosao tina le tina matua ia tuputala e mai se la atuanga o le se lau tausanga lo na soifua. O le ataliwa tu loi se whiau whamanuia mai yalo ma whanau o loa o ina i university i Tianjin i Saina.
Little mouse, cause I'm an albatross.
Mom, there was never a moment in my life I wasn't glad you were my mother. Happy Mother's Day, alofa mo o umalawa Samoa. Happy Mother's Day, Nana, and Happy Mother's Day to all my aunties in Samoa. Alofa mo o vai matou umalawa ni senga, so ifua mai manuia.
Proverbs 31:26. The mother opens her mouth with wisdom, and the teaching of kindness is on her tongue. To my nana, my aunties, and to all the mothers in Samoa, Happy Mother's Day. And remember, the loveliest masterpiece of the heart of God is the heart of a mother. Love you, Nana.
E whatau waale la lele, au le tina matau le atua, e siri ona vi ia o ia. Charm is deceitful, beauty is vain, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Manuela Santina.
Hi Mom, eu ia tato wala ona o tu mau pera o lufa ya te o tu mo oe Mom i sa uma. Love you Mom. Sorry, I don't have a gift for you, but I love you always Mom. Happy Mother's Day Mom. Happy Mother's Day Nana. Aunties, ia mtina umo Samoa.
Tina lele, sidi lon tau penina. Manui atura sa tina umo Samoa. Pasi sidi lo tina pele lo nganga. Love you Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
To all the mothers in Samoa, here's what I have to say for Mother's Day. You are a masterpiece. a creation made of pure compassion, love, and joy, an essential element in the family formula, and a backbone to everything good and perfect. You are the fusion of godly principles and family values. You are the reason why I exist and the reason why I love God. Your very existence aspires me to become something greater and better. And for that I pray that one day I will become just like you. To all the mothers in Samoa, I love you and happy Mother's Day.
Samoa Samoa, ang moliatu na pelina Samoa. Bila ba uputus, ay tama tu Samoa nala, mo yo, sabali leo yo. Happy Mother's Day, nira santina.
Manuia tula sai tina umo Samoa and Mrs. Tina Pele Loonganga. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in Samoa, especially my mom. I love you.
Amata wala faanga le na mo tina umala vai Samoa.
Ia Manuela sa tina. Happy Mother's Day. Tuni mu si tie kwaila.
Tau sumatasi au luna foi petolus fulu.
Ale masa mau fia pelo lea. Ale mefa tau wa'ala le. Ale fine mutau leli. E via la boia. Proverbs 31 verse 30. Charm is deceitful, beauty is vain, but the woman who fears the Lord, she will be praised. Happy Mother's Day.
Matolo faangana e molia tina umalava e ochi papaloa vaihima. Ai fasisili o matolo faanga si matu tina pele lava. Mamta iala Paulo Mikaeli. Olo faangana mai siau fanau pele o macho.
Me. You know you are the queen of my heart. We love you. Mwah. Bye.
To our dearest mother and grandmother, all throughout our lives, you have been the one to stand by us in our triumphs and most importantly, our failures, and that we can never forget your love. On this day, we would like to wish you, Mom, the happiest of Mother's Day. Lots of love from your kids, Bernie, Jerry, and Pele, and all your grandkids.
O le wheau mo la so tina o mai a ana tia lele o tapatapao au ina mai le Facebook. O le tina lelei o sili o ia ilo o penina ila o le lalolangi. Fai maila o tau whaalanginga o le pae ma le auli o ainga. Ai avea ia nei aba noa mātou te moli a toi whaamanuianga o le asa o tina i o mātou tina. Ia wha ete lele o Tolotea Leo, Maria Roach ia ma Brenda Ulungia e Liko. Whawhetai mo o tau ngā luenga le leisa whai e to tonu o si o tātou ainga. Ia maruia lava le aso tina alofa anga mai a o tau whanau I Samoa nei pa apea I mai sia tunu o I whafo.
Message from Marian Nive Tuala Leo from Leauva'a. My mother is always with me. She's the whisper of the leaves as I walk down the street. She's the smell of bleach in my freshly laundered socks. She's the cool hand on my brow when I am not well. My mother lives inside my laughter. She is crystallized in every teardrop. She is the place I came from, my first home. She's the map I follow with every step that I take. She is my first love and her first heartbreak, and nothing on each can separate you. Not time, not space. Not even death will ever separate me from my mother. I can carry her inside of me. Thank you, Mom, for everything that you have done for us, especially your spoiled granddaughter. Thank God for having you as part of my life. Lots of love from your children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and mostly from your Princess Antonina. Again, Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
If you Moriatu Matolo Fanga, Tina Pelo, Mauya Pahat, Wellington, and New Zealand. Catherine Simoa Cronville, one of Angana, Mayamato, Umalava, Sydney, Australia. Yeah, Famalia to 4 years of Tina is Tina Umalava Samo. The year Letua, Pastai Bonavno.
Give Nana
no kiss Nana.
Kiss Nana. Happy Mother's Day, Mum, and to all the mothers out there.
O alofaanga mo le tina ia vai whae o ke sene o le tongo, mai ia Dennis vai o manu o ke sene. Tina lelei, tina au lelei, tina lo sei, tina whai aina lelei, tina lofa, tina ata ata, tina loto mawalalo, tina loto whaamangalo, tina o ngafa, tina wha au ngafa, tina o swafa, tina mātala, tina tāpena pena, tina la wawenga, tina wha silimea, tina o tanga mea, tina le malolo, tina pateto solo, tina o te soo, tina wha popole loto, tina wha komiti, tina la titi, tina o tomaiti, tina o skaili, tina tatalo, tina wha mangalo, tina o manao, tina le masalsalo, tina o lotu, tina whai manatu, tina vai vabe, tina whai wha lawe lawe, tina, tina o tina, le tina, ma tina, manuia tina. O lo whaanga mo le tina ia vai whae o ke sene o le tongo, sa pali i sa sina, ma sa tawa, mai a Dennis vai o manu o ke sene.
O le isi tato whaamanuianga le nei, e mamole ato lo whaanga ma whaamanuianga le susao tina ia te oele tina pileina, Lila Dean. Whaftai tele lava tina mo mea le lei umai te whaia mo i mātou lau whanau ia so malava. Alo whaanga le mawai mo oele tina, mai lau whanau uma ai sirisili ai, my low grandson o Silas R. Schmidt. Happy Mother's Day, Nana.
O le whaau mo le aso tina mai a musu pi whaapedela au ina mai le Facebook. Ua mawai atu lo mātou o langa whaata mai titi, ai fōtua i mai le o langa whaatangata mātutua, pei tai o le alofa lava le nei sa mafutaina i mātou i aso uma o lau whanau talu ino mātou i titi, e nei lava mātou te mafutai e o mai i le aso. Tina ea mātou te whaatu ese atu mo le loto mā walalo, ona sa mātou tali le a toa i lo walofa whaatina. Mātou te whaafetai atua i pēr i le atua soifua. Ono lana tau singa i lo soifua. Ua tau tuina i pēr lana whanau, ma lana whiau ma le tala lelei i so o se au wala. Ola mātou talo i le atua sang whaatupuina lau mālosi, whaafauina lau tomai, whaawauina ai au lau tau tua i le atua, ai maise o le tau singa o sio tātou ainga ma le nuu. Manui a tele le asao tina ngā wifale ai pātū, alofa anga i le mawai mai si au mana mea o pauli fi aluma ma le whanau, ai sirei alofa anga o lau whanau o lo tātou walavala. Manui a tele le asao tina.
Pacific Truck and Car Parts stock list of aftermarket and genuine motor spares for cars, trucks, and machines based in Vaitele next door to BSP Bank. Contact us on 27598. Service guaranteed, best price in town. Call 27598, so come on down and check us out.
Inalani Catering, Awange Ingalo Silly, fresh from the bakery. Pia Vaisingango, from seafood to finger food to oyster sent from Raro, or something like fish soup sitting on a piece of taro. Would you like a chicken pie, banana with stir fry, sashimi with wasabi oil? Very afia ai. We make the best Chinese cookies, yes, the keke sainga. Get Yeah, you never heard about this? Fale ainga, we do weddings. We don't do divorces, we do dips. With any kind of sauce you like, or for funerals that you might have, or parties that you like. Yes, you got it right. Inalani for you day and night. Inalani Catering Talofa.
Ua so o Samoa le au nanga le Western Union. E te leto malanga mamao i Apia ua iai le la le malaiva alele faleolo, le fanga, saanapu, si umu, lalomanu, falefā, laulii, vailele, matautu, malaiva alele fanga lii, vaitele, tuanai mato, ma ofisa ese le talafata i Apia. Savai alo o iai le la i sa le lolonga, sala ilua, fonga savai, fale alupo, a sau, fanga malo whapea i matua sivi. Le Western Union ua so o i Samoa ilana au nanga. Looking for that one place to get all the items you need to complete your building project? Ace Hardware and Samoa Builders Supplies has it all. Come in store at Saleufi and Matafele and you'll find more. Have a happy and safe Mother's Day to all the mothers from the management and staff of Ace Hardware and Samoa Builders Supplies for all your hardware needs. Tulela Boutique. We are the exclusive PIA agents in Samoa, ranging from ball gowns to evening dresses available in all lengths, evening shoes and accessories, as well as menswear. Come see us behind Vitella Market inside Pacific Truck Parts, or call us on 27598. You can also find us on Facebook. Like our page to stay updated on our specials. Have a happy Mother's Day, Samoa, from Dinah and Tulela Boutique. Tulela Boutique. Shine like the rising sun. Our country has been severely affected by the impacts of climate change. To address these major impacts of climate change, Samoa has committed itself to a project called NAMA, which is aimed at reducing GHG's emissions for Samoa. Samoa's NAMA focus supports sustainable land transport. According to research, the transport sector is responsible for the 27% of total GHG emissions in 2007, and road transport alone contributed for the 14% of the total emissions. It is likely that there has been an increase in GHG's emissions as we have seen an increase in the number of vehicles imported into our country. Therefore, we need to monitor this increase and identify ways to reduce the emissions from the land transport sector. Samoa's NAMA hopes to achieve and contribute to reduce CC impacts in the world by reducing the impacts locally.
E mauti noa, o moni mawha mao ni whailonga matu spasi o la tolo e whawhainga luenga ina. Pole sol tula whonul whaonga ino tu spasi whailonga i whaatawina mawhausia i awala tau whasese. O lo whaatino nige le SQA se au aunga, e wa ilili aile moni mawha mao ni tu spasi mawhailonga, awale pui pui o Samoa mai nei whainga tau whasese. E ta ua le nei au nanga, o le ilu ilonga o le aloa ia o whailonga mai whafo.
E tolu ni waenga tau o nei au nanga. Mua, o le whaamau o whailonga mtu spasi pe a mioton. Lua, o le whaamau o le aloa ia i atunu un wha umai ai. Ma le tolu, o le sa ilia o le whaavasinganga tala whia ngai whaava au whailonga mtu spasi tau loa o Samoa.
Mo nesi whaamtalanga, whaafsota i maile pūlenga whailonga mtu spasi tau loa Samoa.
O te whaonga ina le suawai mai le paipa. Awawa mai au na whaamama ina. Mauti noa le mama. Saunga le mu, ma le tau mo fie.
Sila foi. E fuatia le te leo le suawai whaonga i le mitaku pita. E tasi le mitaku pita. E te tusa le maleafe lita o le suawai. E tusa maleafe whangwai ta i tasi lita. O lea suawai tele, e te maua le na o le 5 sene.
O tane nei e whaun te uina ele suawai 5 lita, po o le 5 mitaku pita. E mawhai ona e whanga ina le 5 lita o le suawai tono le masina. A te tongi na o le 7 tala 5 sene. Ioi, 7 tala 5 sene, po o le 5 lita o le suawai.
Au te mo o mia le nei au nanga ia sa uma, ma taimi uma. O la o pita o la au, o le totomi o le bili o le suawai. E mauti noa ai le whaawau na maua e au, ma loo ainga, le suawai wa mai au na whaamamaina, i se awala whai ngō fie, ma tau ngō fie.
tongi lau pili o suavai. Awal whaaptuina se i o ile elenga fitia o na tongi. Mo le atoanga o le pili na lau suavai, asesiane le matou penga te whailangi pe whafso ta i mailo matou ofisa. O le suavai, mo le ola.
Triple T Services, Inc. We do general construction, welding and fencing, security, landscaping, tree trimming, general maintenance, news media, and commercial transportation. Call us on 258-5300 or email ttolwono@gmail.com. Happy Mother's Day from Topa'u and the team at Triple T Services in American Samoa. We can do it now. Safety is our priority.
Talo Falava. Hello everyone. I'd like to record a video for the Mother's Day special that's airing in Samoa this weekend. This is a video for my mom, my awesome mom, Talalele Fa'angi Tupuola, who is currently residing in Australia. I'm here on campus at Korea University in South Korea, which is where I live with my small family. My mum has even travelled over here for the birth of my daughter, which is just an example of how giving and how selfless my mum is. I really hope, Mum, that you're having an awesome Mother's Day where you are in Australia. Thank you for everything that you've done for our family, for always sacrificing your time and putting your needs in front of ours. So we can't wait for you to come back here. Your granddaughter misses you. Hopefully soon we can get you back over here. But in the meantime, happy Mother's Day, Mum. We love you, we miss you. Alofa atu, sarangeo, tofasu fua.
Talo Falava, I'm Siri Bowalisi, and I would like to wish all the Samoan mothers in Samoa and all over the world a happy Mother's Day.
O le solo sa awhiawhinga a lia wharetoi mō lona tina. Le pai e le whoe e mapu i le to'o. O winga tina e ese ma le whaamo i loto. Mana ongolo ni loto i asa uma, fia mafuta ma oe tina se ia o i le uma. O ulangona whai wawale tupu mai pea. Talo sia ai le uma a ia whai pea. O lo ulea naunga i lo loto, ai tupu pea i le matai poto. Ina ia whaafualoa le soifua si o tina, a wale whaautuaina o lo olanga i taini whaingatā. O siri lava oiso o se mea i la le tuspaia, e tā ua o e nai loa pēnina. Le mātanga o fia o lo walofa o te te wina, le mawhanawhana o lo pai mai o te langona ina. O awha fi tā uli ma whaingatā o le o langa nei, upo o le pese o oe o se fungala au, e tau waiso sei. A whai po le ali whinangalo pa ia o le atua, se aso i lona whinangalo te te a tā ua, tina e le ngalo mea uma o te mana tua, e la walunga i le ufatu e sili sili lona tā ua. E uma le o langa i le uma na tutongi lau ai tā lafu, tina e le mawhai o na ngalo oe e teu pea i le ufatu. Tātou te le tau masina ma le whinangalo le matai, o te tausi oe ma le alofa o te le whaavai bai. O whanau o le lima tau o dadi mamani. A wā sa tausi sasa o ai oe au wālo lumanai. A watu ai alo whaanga isi o tina pele, wā na ia tausia i a tea o mawha pele pele. As the Bible declares, ma ua oiloina. O lo walofa mam, lea ua sapi ai ita. Alo whaanga nā mai lau whanau o lilia ma Patsy, also kids and whaatu li ese. God bless you all mothers in my family. Ai le ngata i lea o lo whaanga mō sia uhani. Manuia lea susa ua whaapitoa mo o tau tina uma. Pase di sirei oe si o tina peleina. Te talo pea i lea li a walo ma losi mō le whaafia ina o sitoe ina. Alofa atu ma, and God bless. Whamanuianga mai a Swan Yusef Huiva au inu mai fo le Facebook. Whamanuia lea so tina i tina umalava me to tisi vai te leuta. Tina umalava i ainga i sa fotu vai loa palauli New Zealand, Australia na so o se tu o le lalolangi. Maua o tau se a Sofia Fia, ma le manuia, alo whaanga mai a lautafi kamuta, Swaniu ma le whanau. O le whau whamanuia mai a tuila vai tupu o inu mai le Facebook, Whata o te tol sumaltasi vai uparos huiva. E to o tele tina e ami o le lei I lātou, a oe ua sili atu I lo lātou uma. Alofa anga mo le mātou grandma, great-grandma, and great-great-grandma ato tonuu. Whaafetaila o ngā luenga le lei mautau singa mo I mātou le whanau. We love you and a happy Mother's Day.
Hi Mum, Manuela Asutina. So obviously I'm not there to wish you a happy Mother's Day personally and give you a big hug, but I am there in spirit. So sending you love all the way from Hollywood. How blessed am I that I got to see you twice this year already. I love you so much Mum. Alofatu and see you soon.
Lacey Famanuianga mai le WhatsApp. To the world you are a mother, but to your children you are our world. Happy Mother's Day, Mama Elisabetta Johnny Silva of Nufo. Best wishes from your 7 children, your 29 grandchildren, and mostly your 5 great-grandchildren.
Everybody said to do an each and every little thing, but what good does it bring? But I ain't got you, I ain't got you, baby. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody the way I love you. Manuela Satina, Tina Pizza, Tina Fafu, Tina Tuli, Apia Tina Umalawa Samoa.
Ale ia nei tu la o te whamanu atu ai lea satina I tina umalawa Samoa. Ia mesele atu nu e mamau whamanu atu ai fo lea satina ia te oto umalawa. We tina matitua ma tina laiti ma tina whiololo. Whamanu atu ai lea satina ia e wilawa na pailangi fo laungo si tina ia te whamanu atu fo iria le a satina ia. Na yo antes ia whapea fo ia tina umo Samoa ka taila.
Triple T Services Inc. We do general construction, welding and fencing, security, landscaping, tree trimming, general maintenance, news media, and commercial transportation. Call us on 258-5300 or email ttolwono@gmail.com. Happy Mother's Day from Topa'u and the team at Triple T Services in American Samoa. We can do it now. Safety is our priority.
Ua so'o Samoa le au nanga le Western Union. E te leto malanga mamao I Apia ua iai le la le malaiva alele I Faleolo, le Fanga, Saanapu, Siumu, Lalomanu, Falefā, Laulii, Vailele, Matautu, malaiva alele I Fangalii, Vaitele, Tuanai Mato, ma ofisa ese le talafata I Apia. Savai alo o iai le la I Salelonga, Sala Ilua, Fonga Savai, Falealupo, Asau, Fangamalo Whapea I Matuasivi. Le Western Union ua so'o ai Samoa I lana au nanga.
Hi, Mum.
Mele, o ka kongit pinal vai, lewa kipi mat paipa.
Samoa, e whainga tā le soifuanga, pe ale ai se sua vai.
Ioi, ale ai se sua vai, o le a whainga tā le soifuanga.
Au e te whaata le, whaata ua nei loa le tongino lo pilio sua vai.
Wha mo le sua vai, o le sua vai, mo le ola.
Tulala Boutique. We are the exclusive PIA agents in Samoa, ranging from ball gowns to evening dresses available in all lengths, evening shoes and accessories, as well as menswear. Come see us behind Vitella Market inside Pacific Truck Parts, or call us on 27598. You can also find us on Facebook. Like our page to stay updated on our specials. Have a happy Mother's Day, Samoa, from Dinah and Tulala Boutique. Tulala Boutique. Shine like the rising sun. Our country has been severely affected by the impacts of climate change. To address these major impacts of climate change, Samoa has committed itself to a project called NAMA, which is aimed at reducing GHG's emissions for Samoa. Samoa's NAMA focus supports sustainable land transport. According to research, the transport sector is responsible for the 27% of total GHG emissions in 2007, and road transport alone contributed for the 14% of the total emissions. It is likely that there has been an increase in GHG's emissions as we have seen an increase in the number of vehicles imported into our country. Therefore, we need to monitor this increase and identify ways to reduce the emissions from the land transport sector. Samoa's NAMA hopes to achieve and contribute to reduce CC impacts in the world by reducing the impacts locally.
Po e mauti noa, o moni mawha mao ni whailonga matu spasi o la tolo e whawhainga luenga ina. Po le sor tula whonul whaonga ino tu spasi whailonga e whaatawina mawhausia I awala tau whasese. O lo whaatino nege le SQA se au aunga, e wa ilili ai le moni mawha mao ni tu spasi mawhailonga. Awale pui pui o Samoa mai nei whainga tau whasese. E ta ua le nei au nanga, o le iluailonga o le aloa ia o whailonga mai whafo.
E tolu ni vaenga tā ua nei au nanga. Mua, o le whaamaoni o whailonga mtu spasi te a mioton. Lua, o le whaamaoni o le aloa ia ia tunu un wha umai ai. Ma le tolu, o le sae lia o le whaavasinganga tala whia ngai le whaava au whailonga mtu spasi tau loa o Samoa.
Mo nesi whaamtalanga, whaafsota I mai le pūlenga whailonga mtu spasi tau loa Samoa.
Looking for that one place to get all the items you need to complete your building project? Ace Hardware and Samoa Builder Supplies has it all. Come in store at Saleufi and Matafele and you'll find more. Have a happy and safe Mother's Day to all the mothers from the management and staff of Ace Hardware and Samoa Builder Supplies for all your hardware needs.
Pacific Truck and Car Parts stock list of aftermarket and genuine motor spares for cars, trucks, and machines based in Vitella next door to BSP Bank. Contact us on 27598. Service guaranteed, best price in town. Call 27598, so come on down and check us out.
Mana tua ina rani sketchu mo se kula e malu pui pui ai me tau mawhai pi povi ma tau mawhatu ai sa ta so tai mai nei loa ina rani sketchu I vai singano
ave ia le ne ava no e momoli atuai le sa tina isio tina ia ana firo I tau fusi Apia na yo antis ai mai sena ia uso ia don silia masheri pa manuia atu foi le ia sa tina Tina uma o Samoa atoa. Ia manuia le sao tina. Alo whaanga mai le kuingo Aotearoa o Gloria. Whasai lava mo le avanoa, whasoifua Samoa.
A message of love from Elizabeth Bourne. Happy Mother's Day to you, my mother. With courage and faith you soar higher. With endurance you fought with stress, a never-ending effort to give you the best. You cross over the valleys of defeat, dream big for your kids, never thought to surrender, but to push yourself further. It is my pleasure to let them know that I have been blessed with a mum like you. For all the things you've done, I am proud to call you Mum. Happy Mother's Day to my beautiful mother, Orepa and Virginia, and also to my aunties Losa, Mata and Eseta. Much love from Lise, Rudy, Regina, Loriana and Reginald of Auckland, New Zealand.
Happy Mother's Day to my nanas, Orica and Virginia. Happy Mother's Day, Nana, Auntie, Losa, Pepe, Julie, Alfaanga, Mooso, Maya, Virginia, Doriana, Regino, Mami, Mai, Akilangi, New Zealand.
Welcome and ni hao to everybody. This is a small compilation of of videos of best wishes to our mothers who are living in Samoa, and we are some of the Samoan students who are studying and living in Beijing.
Eleniti me famanyo jala sautina sitina pili ya Agnes Bowafi. Ma fatela va mo me umo. Fatela va I upo papo inga o matou fana. Ele matou leo le sasa mal fa atonu te umo. Wasa matou leo. Leo matou tutu wai. Mam yelo matou manui. O muni le upo. Sitina mio le sili no na tau I pili. O lea. Te whakatau I lea tua. When ina ua ia fo ina mai sitina ngali. Sitina lo whai ati mātou I whanau. Lea mam. Te lofa whamaoni E te ui. Ma ia lofa lea tua ma. Mua pe ui lola man malusi. Ai. Mangia lava lea sautina. Ma ia ma uma e sau. I veisai. Love you, Mom.
Hi, Mom. I miss you so much. To my dearest mother, Sienya Mama Naya, Uloa Maui Waikele. I want to wish you a happy Mother's Day, Mom. I miss you so much. China's so far away from home, and it's my first time away from you. Mom, I miss you so much. And I wish you all the love in the world. You're the best mother ever. Not enough words just to describe the mother you are. Mom, I love you so much. I know I've said that like 2 times now, but Mom, I love you so much. And I love you, Mom. Bye.
Yeah, first of all, I just want to say hello, Tanfarapa and Gaja Hao. Yeah. Mom, this is for you. I wanted to say Happy Mother's Day. My mom, who comes from the villages of Lalomanu and Kolebao, but now she resides in Nukum. Mom, I love you very much. Words can't describe how much I miss you right now. I know it's almost been a year now, coming up on Mother's Day, but I know that while I'm here, I still have your love from home and everyone there wishing me well, so I want to do you proud, Mom. I don't want to disappoint you, so I'll try my very best to work hard at it. Mom, I'll get my haircut soon, but let me be a little precious for you. Okay, Mom? Love you. Bye.
大家好，我叫胡马特，我想给我的妈妈祝她母亲节快乐，因为我不在萨摩亚，我在中国，所以妈妈，我爱你，我想祝你母亲节快乐。Kalau pelaba wa opo mata, kamani atula sa sinai shetina pele lava fala kina saliti malaki angana fali. Ya mania lava le sa sina mam o jalo patele mo oe. Kamani atukoile sa sina isina umalava Samoa. Ya mania so sa sofa pa mania.
To all mothers, may all the love you gave to us come back to you 100-fold on this special day, and wishing you all the love and happiness you so richly deserve. Happy Mother's Day, Emanuela Statina,
Hello to you all. Talamua Samoa, I am Christina Wanganui from the village of Lesongo. Abeina lene kaiki era basulaisi na pamanianga mo tina umalawa Samoa. Ya manuia lawan sawalo atu il pakasina terwasu tua pamania le senda Samoa. Dan mai selama setina masih manuia ngai tenggo.
母亲节快乐，妈妈和姥姥，我爱和想你们，好久时间我们没有一起过节日，但是你们两个永远在我的心中。所以我就要说，祝福你们，祝你们身体健康，工作顺利，辛苦了啊。I just want to wish my mom, Naomi Pimono Tavila, and my lovely grandma, Simanu Obemai Vasa, a happy Mother's Day. Hey grandma, I know you're watching, love ya. I know you guys are far away from me, but you guys are never far away from my heart and my prayers. I can never thank you guys enough for being there for me. And I just pray that God will continue to bless you guys and give you guys more years so we can be together on this earth. Love you guys endlessly, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Also like to wish happy Mother's Day to my spiritual mom, Talamua Media. Thank you for the prayers and everything you have done for me, and also to all the mothers of the Maputanga Tina of our church, First Samoa Gospel Pentecostal Church of Whangali, Utah. Happy Mother's Day to all of you guys, and to all the mothers of Samoa as well. Happy Mother's Day. Manuia telele whamanatuina o le asasao tina umalava o Samoa, te talo le tua i tu mau pehana whamanuianga i lunga o tina umalava o se tātou atunu. Ia manatua o tina ami o lelei e sili lona tau i penina, ma o outou fo i tina o outou o aunga whaapai, ma o outou o pai, ma auli o ainga umalava o Samoa. Oro whaanga ia e mori atu pe moutou ele uma mai ati matou uma lava o alom whana o Samoa o lo whapena o na nofo ma o tawina i te tonu o Beijing i te tonu o China.
Whani a wanoa e whamanuia tuaia le asa tina mo tina uma o Samoa lo whai ona mai moa whaafonga i le nei hoi Port Kalame. Ia ele ngata o ila tau o lo soifua pea ia ao nai ainga foi wale mawhai ona awhai aso sa o tina whaatasi o ma nai tina ona o le pala au pa ia le tua.
Ia ole ano whaanga le sa tina mo sia ui e tina ia iui lamba wa whai langi le wholonga e pia mai a pata o ave a kinese la uru ia ai patai lava tina mo mea umasa e whai a moi mātou whanau. Painta ho ia so pape nei mai mo mai tātou tunu i almisia ho ma tanga ma 99 ho fai langi fo longa ia ai mon mo fa toia se lo fa nga foi ia motina se fa na ia tuila vai tupu ia papai mo me uma ia o fai a mo tātou ainga ai ia manuia ia le sautina tina uma lava o Samoa.
Hi everyone, I just want to wish a happy Mother's Day to my mother, Talalele Tupuola from Sale Moa, and also my mother-in-law, Luce Talaapitanga, and all the aunties and my sisters and godmothers who have all been a big part of our lives and our daughters' lives. Thank you all for your love and your support over the years, and for being inspiring mothers, and for all that you do for us and our girls. We hope you all have a happy Mother's Day. May God bless and protect and keep you all safe always. Lots of love from John, myself, and our daughters Roma, Jordan, and Phoenix here on the Gold Coast in Australia. Bye.
Pacific Truck and Car Parts stock list of aftermarket and genuine motor spares for cars, trucks, and machines based in Vaitala next door to BSP Bank. Contact us on 27598. Service guaranteed, best price in town. Call 27598, so come on down and check us out.
Inalani Catering, Awange Ingalo Sele, fresh from the bakery. Pia Vaisingango, from seafood to finger food to oyster sent from Raro, or something like fish soup sitting on a piece of taro. Would you like a chicken pie, banana with stir fry, sashimi with wasabi, or you very afia ai? We make the best Chinese cookies, yes, the keke sainga. Get out of here, you never heard about this? Fale ainga, we do weddings. We don't do divorces, we do dips. With any kind of sauce you like, or for funerals that you might have, or parties that you like. Yes, you got it right. Inalani for you day and night. Ina lani catering talofa.
Ua so o Samoa le au nanga le Western Union. E te leto malanga mamao i Apia ua iai le la le malaiva ale le faleolo, le fanga, saanapu, siumu, lalomanu, falefā, laulii, vailele, matautu, malaiva ale le fanga lii, vaitele, tuanai mato, ma ofisa ese le talafata i Apia. Savai olo o iai le la i sa le lolonga, sala ilua, fonga savai, fale alupo, a sau, fanga malo fa apea e matua sivi. Le Western Union ua so o ai Samoa ilana au nanga. Looking for that one place to get all the items you need to complete your building project? Ace Hardware and Samoa Builders Supplies has it all. Come in store at Saleufi and Matafele and you'll find more. Have a happy and safe Mother's Day to all the mothers from the management and staff of Ace Hardware and Samoa Builders Supplies for all your hardware needs. Tulala Boutique. We are the exclusive PIA agents in Samoa, ranging from ball gowns to evening dresses available in all lengths, evening shoes and accessories, as well as menswear. Come see us behind Vitella Market inside Pacific Truck Parts, or call us on 27598. You can also find us on Facebook. Like our page to stay updated on our specials. Have a happy Mother's Day, Samoa, from Dinah and Tulala Boutique. Tulala Boutique. Shine like the rising sun.
Our country has been severely affected by the impacts of climate change. To address these major impacts of climate change, Samoa has committed itself to a project called NAMA, which is aimed at reducing GHG's emissions for Samoa. Samoa's NAMA focus supports sustainable land transport. According to research, the transport sector is responsible for the 27% of total GHG emissions in 2007, and road transport alone contributed for the 14% of the total emissions. It is likely that there has been an increase in GHG's emissions as we have seen an increase in the number of vehicles imported into our country. Therefore, we need to monitor this increase and identify ways to reduce the emissions from the land transport sector. Samoa's NAMA hopes to achieve and contribute to reduce CC impacts in the world by reducing the impacts locally.
E mauti noa, o moni mawha mao ni whailonga matu spasi o la tolo e whawhainga luenga ina. Pole sol tu la fonul whaonga ino tu spasi whailonga e whaatawina mawhausia i awala tau whasese. O lo whaatino negele SQA se au aunga. E wa ilili aile moni mawha mao ni tu spasi mawhailonga. Awale pui pui o Samoa mai nei whainga tau whasese. E ta ua le nei au nanga. O le ilu ilonga o le aloa ia o whailonga mai whafo.
E tolu ni vaenga ta ua nei au nanga. Mua o le whaamauni au whailonga mtu spasi pe a mioton. Lua o le whaamauni o le aloa ia ia tunu un wha umai ai. Ma le tolu o le sa ilia o le whaavasinganga talo whia ngai whaava au whailonga mtu spasi tau loa o Samoa.
Mo nesi whaamtalanga, whaafsota i maile pūlenga whailonga mtu spasi tau aloha Samoa.
O te whaonga ina le suawai mai le paipa. Awawa mai au na wha mama ina. Mauti noa le mama. Saunga le mu, ma le tau mo fie.
Sila foi. E fuatia le te leo le suawai whaonga i le mitaku pita. E tasi le mitaku pita. E te tusa le amaleafe lita o le suawai. E tusa maleafe whangwai ta i tasi lita. O lea suawai tele, e te maua le na o le 5 sene.
O tane ne e mwheun te uina ele suawai 5 lita, po o le 5 mitaku pita. E mawhai ona e whanga ina le 5 lita o le suawai tono le masina. A te tongi na le 7 tala 5 sene. Ioi, 7 tala 5 sene, mo le 5 lita o le suawai.
Au te mo o mia le nei au nanga ia sa uma, ma taimi uma. O la o pita o la au, o le totomi o le pili o le suawai. E mauti noa ai le wha awawu na maua au, ma loo ainga. Le suawai wa mai au na wha mamaina, i se awala whai ngofie, ma tau ngofie.
Tongi lau pili o le suawai, e awal whaaptuina se i au ina e lenga ftia o na tongi. Mo le atoanga o le pili no lau suawai, a se siane le matou penga te whailangi, pe whafsota i mailo matou ofisa. O le suawai, mo le ola.
Triple T Services, Inc. We do general construction, welding and fencing, security, landscaping, tree trimming, general maintenance, news media, and commercial transportation. Call us on 258-5300 or email ttolwono@gmail.com. Happy Mother's Day from Topa'u and the team at Triple T Services in American Samoa. We can do it now. Safety is our priority.
Hey, I'm Ryan and I've never met my biological mother. I'm adopted. Every year around Mother's Day, I get this same sort of tricky conundrum going on in my mind. So my birth mother's name is Julie and she left me a letter. So from the little information I know, it seems that when she got pregnant unexpectedly, she didn't believe that she had the time or maturity to be a great mum, and she sort of implies that she didn't have the best upbringing and she wanted to make sure that her child had every opportunity available, so she thought the best thing to do would be give me up for adoption. I'd love to be able to look my birth mother in the eye and just say how thankful I am for literally everything. But there's one thing sort of stopping me. I'm scared that I might go looking for someone who might not necessarily want to be found. You know, I don't want to be the skeleton in the closet. I don't want to create any awkward conversations or situations for her. She gave me my life, and I feel like the least I can do is let her live hers. You know, I don't expect anything from you. I don't need you to do anything or contact me. I just wanted to say thank you for everything, and I hope you have a great Mother's Day.
And that's Ryan John, who sent us that message for our very first Global Samoan Mother's Day Special 2017. I believe there are those of the same age in Samoa who were adopted at a young age who may share the same desire to say something similar to one's biological mother. Something to think about. And that rounds it off for our very first Global Mother's Day Special 2017. Until next time, have a happy Mother's Day to you all. O le whaiunga le nālu tatou por kalame whapitoa o whiau whamanuia mo tina o Samoa. Mo le toi malu whaanga le nei aso whapitoa mo tina umalawa. Ia manuia tēnā lo o tō aso, soifua ia.
Oh, Mom, I love you. Yes, I do. Please wait for me, Mom. I'll be home very soon. I never knew just how much you meant to me. Till now, you're so many miles away across the sea. Only God knows where or when we'll meet again to hold you in my arms once more, to hear your voice and to see your sweet smile. God, please do keep my love. I never knew just how much you meant to me. Till now, you're so many miles away across the sea. Only God knows where or when we'll meet again please to keep my mom. God, please to keep Happy Mother's Day, my mom.